Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is going to be a very fun one because Sharge, formerly known as Shargeek, actually sent me a lot of their latest and coolest tech products. Now this basically consists of a couple of power banks, cables, even the charging heads. But the key point here is that these products all are made to look aesthetically well. So they look very cool. So without further ado, let's head over to the desk and do a very quick unboxing to see all the cool stuff that they actually sent over. Let's begin the video right away. Alright guys, a change of plans. I decided to unbox everything and just show it to you all at once so you have a quicker look. But let's start off first and foremost with this really nice looking power bank. Check out the size, it's very small and it sort of looks like a power bank suitcase. Now anyways, this is housing 10,000 mAh of battery. It charges out at 20 watts fast charge, so it's actually quite good here. You have a Type A port on one side as well as a Type C port, but the coolest part here is actually this sort of like semi-transparent screen that you can take a look at the battery life remaining in the power bank itself. So very cool. I think this is a very nice looking power bank that you might want to consider getting. Now moving on to the second product, this is actually the power bank. This is a 25.6K if I'm not mistaken power bank that you have this sort of like transparent look all around. You can even take a look at the battery cells on the inside and I think it's very cool. This is actually quite hefty and you might need to check whether this is allowed on planes, but if you are using it locally, I think you should not have any issues. The best part about this power bank here is that you do have this sort of like tiny display that you can go through a couple of settings. You can check out the temperature units, you can set your timer for when you want it to turn on and turn off. You can actually see a lot of details all through this tiny screen here, even the charging speed and all that, how much output is being sent out to your phone. So very cool display there. And you do have a couple of ports here. You have two Type C's, one Type A and a DC input. Alright, we're going to move over to the right slightly and check out another item. This is actually Shargeek's power adapter, travel power adapter that you can actually use to put in a couple of different heads. This is how you remove it, very easy. I like the fact that the color here is very sharp and it stands out. This is a 140 watt PD 3.1 charger. You have two Type C ports here as well as a single Type A, and of course it does come with a couple of different heads depending on which country you're going, so you can actually use them without any hassle just by sliding it in through the top like this and you are ready to go. Very beautiful looking. I love this color. Now moving on to the next item here, we do have this sort of like retro MFI certified cable for your iPhone. So if you are in the market looking for a Type C to Lightning cable, this is where you can actually get one. It is a sort of like cyberpunk kind of design here and I think it looks very interesting. Definitely very different from what you typically see on most like Lightning cable designs. Alright, so moving on to the fourth item, I think it's the fourth one. This is the brand new Sharge ICEMAG 10,000 mAh MagSafe charger that you can actually put onto your iPhone if you have one like this. And the cool thing about this is that this is again a transparent kind of screen here, so you can check out on the inside. There is actually a little fan in here for the turbo cooling to keep your phone cool, as well as the charger itself cool with this RGB lights, keep on rotating colors. Very nice. On the side you also have the level of battery remaining in this little guy here. Very nice design guys. It fits perfectly onto my iPhone 14 Pro Max and yeah, this is how it looks like. Very neat. Now last but not least, we also have the final item and that is over here guys. So this is actually a very nice charger. It is a retro charger designed to look like a personal computer. I think it's the older Mac or something like that. Very nice. And once you plug this into your power outlet, the display will actually light up and it will show you the amount of wattage that's actually being released. So again, very cool design here coming from Sharge. Everything looks very aesthetically beautiful. You have three Type C ports by the way on the top of its head here. And yeah, I think this is just one of the best looking and most unique charging heads that you can actually find in the market. Alright guys, so with that said, that pretty much wraps up our very quick unboxing and quick look at all the cool stuff from Sharge. Again, I want to say thank you to Sharge for sending all these cool stuff over. If you guys want to find out more about this, I'll put in a link down below and you can go and make your own desk setup or anything look a bit better with all these really beautifully made products. So with that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care and stay safe. Bye bye.